Hello everybody. I am coming to you today with a video about the Erin Condren. This is the natural color vertical planner, Softbound. And I am excited because I've looked up the videos and I looked up information on it, and I didn't quite see anything that related to what I bought. So I'm like, hey, I am gonna do a video for anybody else who have this exact same planner, so at least they can see, you know, another review. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so when it arrived, it came in this box, and I actually got mine on sale. It was on sale, and I really like the vertical layout versus horizontal and dashboard. So vertical is one of my favorites, and I also like the way that you can set it up with like the stickers and stuff like that. So that's the reason why I like the vertical so much. It came in this box, and this box is like a mint green, and then it has like the Erin Condren symbols on it. And I kind of like ripped the label off of that, so that's why that paper is sitting there, so it doesn't look too bad. It looks crazy. So when I open this, it says enjoy. I'm gonna move this paper out the way. Okay, let's turn it this way so you can see. So here's a sticker that says Erin Condren, and it says enjoy, with pretty tissue paper that matches the box. This is, I don't know, because this is my first time opening it. Okay, so let's see. It says a couple of things. Be rewarded for shopping, early access to sales, exclusive content, sneak peeks. You know, become an Erin Condren insider today. You can sign up for like the rewards and stuff. Oops. Sorry about the camera, guys. And then this says, let me see, happy birthday to and from. I guess if you're like giving this as a birthday gift. So that's pretty cool. Just a little something from, that's cute. So a happy birthday tag, and then also like a cute little gift tag too. So very colorful, very nice. What is this? It says enjoy. So they give you cute little tags. And these are actually stickers that you can, you know, put on the box, or, you know, wrap it up and put on whatever you wrapped it up in. So that's cute. Okay, so now here is the Softbound. This is the 2021 calendar. It's vertical. It's a LifePlanner. Weekly planner system. Oh, the LifePlanner is a weekly planning system that combines organization with inspiration for improved time management and productivity. 8x10 and 192 pages, layers neutral. Woohoo! Very nice. I like this. This is cute. I like this color. I didn't want anything too bright and stuff, so I chose this color here. Oh, and the box says Erin Condren on it. How cute. Okay, So, and guys, this is my first time. First of all, I think this is my first Erin Condren ever. So I'm excited about that. And this is going to be a first look for me and you. So it's about to be really real because I have not looked on the inside. I did open a box to, you know, just to like see, but I have not flipped through the planner. So guess what? We're gonna do this together. Okay, so this is adhesive and all right, let's take it out the plastic. I'm not saving the plastic so I can just rip it off. Sorry for the noise. Okay, so let's slide this off, which was on the sleeve. Well, on the cover, not the sleeve, but the cover. Okay, so as you can see, it's a pretty nice size. I don't really have anything near me to compare it to. So, I'm just trying to see. Yeah, I don't have anything. It's pretty big. Look, you get the gist of it. Okay, 8 by 10 paper. So you get the gist of it. Anywho. Okay, so it says Erin Condren in the back. The camera's not really doing any justice. It looks like it's a dark charcoal gray, but it looks more like a dark blue. Or maybe it's a dark gray. I can't really tell. But it's looking gray in the camera. So maybe it's a dark gray. If it's not and it's a dark blue, then how cool is that? It's soft. The colors are neutral. And on the inside here, this is a lighter gray, or just gray. And then it says LifePlanner. Yay, vertical layout. This is my life, which is really not, but guess what? We're gonna keep on flipping. And this paper is thick. Okay, so that's that. All right, it says have enough courage to start, have enough courage, and enough heart to finish. Okay, so that's cute because that's on the front. So, yeah. All right, so here's all your calendar months, and then you have some lines here. And then you have this nice vertical layout where you can put the days of the week, and you can write your little notes here, okay? And then you have a note section here. You have a title part, and then you can write your notes. And then it says, wherever you are, be all there. How nice. All right, so here's January, which we're currently not in anymore. But this is just showing you what's on the inside and what to expect. Now, here's a note page. And then look at this, which just looks like the dashboard layout. It's cool, but like I said, it's not one of my favorites. But again, I would just be decorating this and, you know, just writing my notes in there. This is really going to be for note taking. So I like to get books like this or planners, and I just like revamp it to whatever I want it to be. So yeah, don't be surprised if I come back with another video and was like, I totally just redid this book, because that's what I do. All right, so now look at the vertical layout, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. And if anybody uses Simply Gilded stickers and washi tape and stuff, it is said that fits in here really well. Of course, I am going to test it out to see, because I haven't ever had one of these or ever decorated in a vertical layout like this. So I'm super excited, because even the Happy Planner layout that I have for the Faith Planner is not a layout like this. And you can watch that video on my channel, which I'm so super excited about that. But here are the vertical layouts, you know, for the days of the week all the way to the end of the month. And then it has, the paper is thick. That's why you see me, I'm like, oh, but you know what? The paper is thick. I love that, because all depending on what you're using, it's not probably going to easily bleed through. So I am loving that. Okay, so I guess each month have a different saying. So here's February, and of course here's the layouts. Yeah, and here's March, which we're currently in. So I am really loving this, and like I said, I will probably just use this as a note-taking book and just, you know, do stuff. Don't ask what I'm doing. I know one thing I'll be doing is decorating it. So that's the layout. So I'm not going to sit here and bore you with the rest of this flip through. It has a calendar in the back here. This is 2022. And boom. A strong foundation is to build on infinite layers. So that is that. Here's the back of the book again. I really like this layout. I'm probably going to come back with a video to decorating it or show you how, you know, the stickers actually fit in there as a first time. Don't expect me to do each month, I guess. I'm not going to do that. But I will take the time out to probably just show you how I'm going to decorate. And since it is now April and not March, I would have no problem doing April. So yeah. And I got some other cool stickers too, besides Simply Gilded, which is so pretty. I have some blue stickers that I want to show you guys, which I'll probably just do another video for that. But yeah, I'm going to decorate this, and hopefully you'll be inspired and excited to even get your own and, you know, do different layouts. But like I said, I haven't seen a video with this particular one and somebody showing the layout. So here's to the first video, people. I am super, super excited about this. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you will be aware. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed rest of the week if you're watching it during the week or even the weekend. It is now Good Friday, so you guys have a blessed resurrection weekend, a happy Easter. Remember, Jesus is Lord, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.